Hi guys! When it comes to Halloween, I feel like I get so many ideas for sweet treats and I always forget or leave the savory treats behind. So today I wanted to change that and give you a delicious savory treat that you can make for Halloween. For this recipe, you will need 3 red bell peppers. You want to cut the peppers and remove the seeds. Then you want to slice the peppers into big pieces. Take a baking tray, cover it with some parchment paper and spread the peppers on the parchment paper. Then you want to season with a little bit of salt and pop them in the oven until they are charred and soft. You want to remove the peppers from the baking tray while they are still hot into a bowl and cover it with some aluminium foil and leave it aside for about half an hour. Then you want to uncover them and peel the skin off. Then return the peppers into the bowl and start blending them with an immersion blender. Here you want to use a bowl that has really high sides. As you can see, mine did make a little bit of a mess, so don't make a mess, use a bowl with high sides. Then if you want a really smooth puree, you can strain the pepper sauce through a sieve. At the end, you should have only a little bit left, like you can see here. And don't throw this away, it's delicious. You can spread it, for example, on some bread. It is really yummy, so don't waste that. Then you want to leave the pepper sauce aside and allow it to cool. In the meantime, hard boil the eggs and cool them in some cool water, then break the shell like I'm doing here with a spoon. Add the eggs into a plastic container or into a big bowl and cover with the vinegar water. Then you want to add in the food color and allow the eggs to sit for at least 2 hours. I actually was a little bit impatient here and I only waited 1.5 hours, and that's why the red veins on my eggs were not really dark, but you can leave them for longer or even overnight and then the red veins will have a really strong color. Then you want to rinse the eggs, peel them and slice them into halves. Remove the egg yolks into a separate bowl and mash the egg yolks with a fork. Then add in about 3 teaspoons of the pepper sauce and give it a short mix. Then add about 1 tablespoon of mayo and mix again shortly. Season with some salt and pepper and give it a final mix. Now you can spoon the egg yolk mix into the egg white shells with spoon it with the spoon, or you can do like I did here, use a piping bag with a nozzle of your choice and pipe the egg yolk pepper filling into the egg whites. Then take your serving plate and spoon some of that delicious red pepper sauce over your serving plate and spread it like I'm doing here. Now you want to add all of the deviled eggs on top of that red pepper sauce, and you also want to decorate with some more red pepper sauce on top. Also, if you want to go a little crazy, and of course for Halloween, you want to make it look really, really cool, so you can drizzle a little of that sauce over the plate to make it look even better. When I made this recipe, I planned it for 6 eggs, but actually you can double the amount of eggs and still you will have enough of that pepper sauce to go, or pepper puree to go with the eggs. So you can easily double the recipe or double the amount of eggs and it will still be enough. Also, I would want to say these are so delicious that I made 6 and we are just 2 and we ate them all at once. So you might want to double the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it inspired you for the savory Halloween treats. If you did like this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up so I know you liked it, and also don't forget to tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss any new Halloween recipe videos that are coming next week. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.